Welcome to this technical guide on the Rowenta RO8324. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that your Rowenta RO8324 is losing suction and emitting an unpleasant smell, you're not alone. This issue often arises from clogged filters which, if left unchecked, can lead to further damage to your vacuum cleaner. It's essential to address this promptly to maintain optimal performance and avoid more costly repairs later on. To complete this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, replacement filters specifically designed for the Rowenta RO8324, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, ensure your vacuum is unplugged to avoid any accidents. Begin by removing the dust container by pressing the release button. Once removed, you will see the filters located inside. Carefully use your flathead screwdriver to pry open the filter cover without damaging the surrounding components. The faulty filter is usually the one that appears discolored or clogged. Gently pull it out, being cautious not to disturb any other parts. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the old filter removed, take your new filter and align it with the slot before pressing it firmly into place. Make sure it clicks to confirm it's secured properly. Now, replace the cover and ensure it fits snugly. Next, reattach the dust container by aligning it back into place until you hear a click. Plug in your vacuum and turn it on to check if the suction has improved and that the smell has dissipated. If everything is working correctly, you've successfully replaced the filters. To prevent this issue from recurring, it's advisable to clean your filters regularly, ideally every month, and replace them every 6 months or as needed. Proper maintenance will keep your Rowenta RO8324 running smoothly and efficiently. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.